Tell me about Swivel. So you said, they wanted to shut down Islamabad. Islamabad did become their biggest market. What do you think was going wrong there? Like what? एक macro के ऊपर, yes, you can say कि they were here, I turned it around. But really, what was going on there? What were the things that were changed that helped turn that around?
I think that number one, it's very easy to build that success story out of Islamabad because Islamabad को seriously नहीं लेता, just from a population size perspective, right? कराची में आप
Hmm.
छतें फाड़ दें, people would say कि जितनी बड़ी आबादी है, okay, कोई तीर नहीं मारा आपने. um I think Islamabad had a lot of potential. I think just nobody gave it that credit. I didn't see it that way because I also remembered at Kareem, Islamabad actually did the most bookings, and more so than Karachi, right? And so for me, it
Hmm.
was never about that. I think we just focused on the right things. I think that was a great team there that was in place. And I think the fundamentals of what we were trying to do were very clear, and that team really pulled that off. And I think we were just so ignored that it was very easy to just do whatever we wanted, and then suddenly we were put on the
Hmm.
map. And I remember the one when Islamabad was going to be shut down initially, I remember that I refused to follow orders and I risked my job because I said, "ये 2 महीने में तो वैसे ही वरना सबकी नौकरियां जाएंगी." And we weren't allowed to add more than a couple of vehicles at a time. And my gut was that if I add enough capacity in one day, मेरा एक वो network optimization इस तरह से मैं कर सकती हूँ कि वो सारी सीटें मैं fill कर दूंगी versus एक vehicle पे. And so I just tripled capacity overnight. Took that call, gambled, and I knew I'm either getting fired or people are clapping tomorrow night. We got it right. And so, that just started to change our fate. And then we were able to continue on that path. But I mean, on a macro level, I also think that because Islamabad has used some form of similar transportation in the offline sector, and also people are trying to get in from, say, a Vakant or a Pindi into certain parts of Islamabad. You have a lot of that sort of movement. It's very easy to start those B2C routes and then build up from there.
Islamabad
And so
was
that's
again, for people who don't know, Swivel. What was it doing really at the time? Like, what was the business model? What was the product? W- and how does that sort of? बल्कि in fact, बस करो पे तो हम later आएंगे. But I just want to understand Swivel at the time.
So Swivel did B2C. So think of them as a private player doing public transportation. And,
Right.
on-demand routes आपके चल रहे हैं, उस पे you can just book online and you can get a seat and you can sit in the vehicle.
Right. In principle, it sounds great. And especially again, उस टाइम के ऊपर भी 2018-19 के अंदर नया नया डॉलर महंगा हुआ था, उसकी वजह से फ्यूल महंगा हुआ था. There was a lot of pressure on the buying power. And I remember मैंने भी 2-3 कैंपेन स्विवल के साथ की हुई हैं उस टाइम के ऊपर. So that was the only reason why I was able to interact with the company. The buses were great. लेकिन जो overall product थी ना, वो थोड़ी confusing थी. Right? Like, if if I'm imagining a car to come to my house, it makes sense for me to go on an app and request a ride. But then there was this bus service that I had to walk to, but I also had to request the bus, and it would then randomly pop up. And so ज़ाहिर है एक दिमाग एक्सपेक्टेशन होती है एक एक्सपीरियंस की. सो एक आपका एक्सपीरियंस है टैक्सी का. आपने बस में कहा है कि चेंज ये आया है कि वो टैक्सी आपके घर से उठा लेगी और टेक्नोलॉजी जो है वो सिर्फ उसको बुलाने के लिए यूज़ हो जाएगी. एक बस का है. बस का एक्सपीरियंस क्या है कि यार बसेस होती हैं, एक्स टाइम पे चल रही होती हैं, रूट पे होती हैं, आप जाके खड़े हो जाओगे. अच्छा, उसमें एक स्टेप आगे क्या होता है कि यार आप बाहर जाते हो तो वहाँ पे गूगल मैप्स वगैरह पे टाइम आ रहा होता है, अपडेटेड टाइम आ रहा होता है, आप गाड़ी को फॉलो कर लेते हो तो यू कैन टाइम योर सेल्फ करेक्टली टू गो एट द राइट प्लेस. लेकिन बट दैट्स द एक्सटेंट ऑफ इट. जब उसमें एक फर्दर वो आया, मुझे आज तक याद है मैंने उनकी पूरी कैंपेन की थी. आई ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड इट, बट दे सेड कि गाड़ी आ भी रही है, 15 मिनट बाद भी आती है, लेकिन आपने रिक्वेस्ट भी करनी है, रिक्वेस्ट करनी है तो उसमें इट वाज रियली वियर्ड. एंड सो टेल मी अबाउट द प्रोडक्ट. हाउ, व्हाट वाज इट, एंड रियली व्हाट देन वेंट रॉन्ग with, was it just like a global downturn and a lack of interest in Pakistani market, or was there fundamental business flaws that somehow were not contextualized to the local requirements in Pakistan that led to the demise?
So let me take that on one by one. First is the product itself, right? And I think you have to come from a certain amount of privilege to be able to say that, oh, but then the car should come pick me up from my house. If you can afford that, it absolutely should, right? And so someone
Hmm.
like you can afford to take ride hailing. You'll pay
नहीं, दैट्स
four.
नॉट व्हाट आई एम सेइंग। मैं ये कह रहा हूँ मुझे कोई मसला नहीं था कि मैं बस के पास चला जाऊँ। मुझे सिर्फ प्रोडक्ट का जो 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 एक्सपीरियंस डिज़ाइन था ना, वो कन्फ्यूज़िंग लगा
ओके,
बहुत ज़्यादा कि
सो
मुझे समझ नहीं आया
प्रोडक्ट
कि हो
बेसिकली
क्या
ये
रहा है
कह
वो।
रही है कि आप जिस तरह राइड हेलिंग में अपने घर से गाड़ी बुक करते हैं और वो गाड़ी आ जाती है आपके लिए, आप अगर वो अफोर्ड
हुँ,
नहीं कर सकते और आपको एक उससे ज़्यादा अफोर्डेबल सोल्यूशन चाहिए, तो फॉर अ फ्रैक्शन ऑफ दैट प्राइस आप बुक कर लें, मगर अब आप पैदल चल के रहें लेट्स से अगले 10 मिनट, और जो पिकअप पॉइंट है
हुँ,
वहाँ से आप पिक हो जाएंगे, राइट? एंड देन there's X number of vehicles running. The reason you would be booking that in advance is because aapko generally they would not let an additional person come in who doesn't have a booking, because then aapki capacity se zyada utilization agar ho jati hai, that leads to safety concerns, like in the case of public transportation. And so it had to be pre-booked, and if capacity is full, you have to wait for the next vehicle. And so I think that is the general idea. Arguably we could have marketed that better, but essentially that's why it was built in that way, right? And so
आई
also
सी।
that
सो इट
creates
वाज़
that predictability कि ये
राइट।
routes fill हुए हुए हैं versus ये नहीं हुए हुए, so we try to sell those seats. So I think that's the
सॉर्ट ऑफ लाइक
basic
वो जो
idea there.
उबर के शेयरिंग वाली गाड़ियाँ हैं, इफेक्टिवली उसको आप स्केल अप कर रहे हैं और आप कह रहे हैं कि यार अब वो एक बस फॉर्म में आ रही है और उसमें 5 बंदे शेयर करने के 3 बंदे शेयर करने के बजाय वो 30 लोग शेयर कर रहे हैं।
Correct.
एक्सेप्ट दैट व्हेन यू गो टुवर्ड्स 30 तो ऑब्वियसली वो हर बंदे के घर में तक पहुँचना और वेट करने के बजाय वो बेसिकली स्टॉप बाय स्टॉप जा रहे हैं। मेक सेंस।
Absolutely. And for them, I know that they kept their waiting times, their walk to station times, between 8 to 10 minutes max. So it's never really
हुँ,
a long walk, and वो generally एक side पे होता था, because you might walk from your house to that bus, but then you've gone to your office, वो probably office पे ही drop off होगा या university पे, right? And then वापसी again, same thing. What happened with Swivel? I think it's such an unfair question, because when we
हुँ,
look at any other company and we look at any success story, the number of years that tech company has taken to get there versus Swivel's entire life, with a pandemic in between, with no transportation, pandemic ending, markets crashing a year later. I personally, in my opinion, and I was leading Swivel Pakistan at that time, अगर कंपनी को 1 साल और मिल जाता वो प्रॉफिटेबल हो जाती। अगर हम पाकिस्तान लेवल पे भी बात कर रहे हैं, इवन व्हेन इट शट डाउन, मैं जाके लड़ी थी, बिकॉज अपेरेंटली दैट्स व्हाट आई डू, एंड आई सेड आई वांट $50,000, आई वांट नो सैलरी, I will get myself free interns, I will create a profitable business at a smaller scale, and I will scale this up from there.
हुँ,
Public company thi, didn't win that battle, but that was my thought process then, which is why what I ended up doing is a no-brainer to me. Swivel जब आई है तो एयरलिफ्ट भी आई है।
हुँ,
हम इस बिजनेस की इकोनॉमिक्स के बारे में बहुत बुराइयां करते हैं। मुझे उस पर बहुत गुस्सा आता है, बिकॉज इकोनॉमिक्स का मसला नहीं था। इकोनॉमिक्स के बजाय इट्स एक्चुअली अ प्राइस वॉर इशू, राइट? दोनों कंपनीज के बाद बहुत पैसा था, एयरलिफ्ट जलाता था तो हमें भी जलाना पड़ता था, एंड वाइस वर्सा। एंड एक व्हीकल जो मैं आज 80,000 रुपए की एक्वायर कर रही हूँ, वो तब 2.5 लाख रुपए देना शुरू हो गए थे उस जमाने में, राइट? एक कस्टमर जो मुझे खुशी खुशी 150-200 रुपए दे देता, उससे हम 20 रुपए ले रहे थे। एंड सो दीज वर a lot of these were arguably self-made problems, right? With that P&L, but also venture looked different then. Investor expectations used to be different then. Nobody wanted a sustainable growth from Swivel like they do from Baskaro in Pakistan today, right? And
हुँ।
so I think what we were trying to solve was very different. And so if you want to hyperscale in that way, you're going to burn money. Um, would it have eventually gotten there? I would bet on the fact that it would have. In fact, Swivel in the markets that it's still operating in is doing great work.
आप देख रहे थे TBD क्लिप्स फ्रॉम द पॉडकास्ट मेड फॉर द स्मार्टेस्ट पाकिस्तानीज, द थॉट बिहाइंड थिंग्स पॉडकास्ट। इस तरह के मजीद क्लिप्स देखने के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर कर लीजिएगा, एंड आई विल सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो।